that.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video with a twist. How you guys doing today? You guys are probably wondering, where are you? What are you doing? What is going on in the background? Well, I'm at the beach. If you guys don't remember, if you guys didn't see the video a long time ago, like a month ago, I can't remember how long ago it was, but I did a video about like how Hurricane Florence impacted my beach cottage, and now I'm back at the beach cottage. So now it's time to show you. Literally just got here, took you guys out of the camera bag. So let's just see what is happening here. So this window is like absolutely completely boarded up, and we're about to unboard it up. But there's that. And if you come out here, we just got some fun stuff. We got a canoe here. Just opened up the front door there. Literally. Can we see the front door being open like midway? Oh, we can. Okay, yeah, my dad's taking off his front door. That is insane. Just have like chairs here. All this was on the porch there. And if you come out here, I actually had to like unboard up this door just to get it out here. But yeah, you got like these two boards. These two boards were on the house here. These nails were on the wall. If you look, we got some like paint chipping and stuff like that. This entire window was boarded up here, and the wind and stuff actually took it down. Now, if you want to know what really happened with the hurricane, is it went from like a hurricane like category 5 to like a hurricane category 1, like right before it came here. So pretty dramatic. But if you look at over here, we got like an entire window missing over here, which is pretty insane. We got like, I don't know if you can see that there, but like half that window is gone. The window of that door is gone. You look up over here, you sort of see there's like a tarp. There's a tarp right here because they actually had like problems with their roof. So that's what's happened so far. I'm gonna go help my dad with some of these windows and see what happens next.
Look at that refrigerator. It's horrible.
Oh, what the heck? What? Ew. Those bugs? These are like dead bugs. What is going on here? What is all this? Ew. God. Viewer discretion is advised. It even smells bad. Ew. Alright, so we've taken everything and put it in the house. We've boarded stuff down. And now we've started to put things up. Before we put this up, there was a mirror here. We actually have something actually really, really cool. I just want to show you guys this. So if I take this and just to show you, this isn't like a green screen or anything like that. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, I like this so much. Yeah, but there's like a mirror here, and there's a mirror on this side too. So that's really how we have it there. Just to show you sort of like a behind the scenes type of thing. This is where the window was, and this is where the camera just was there, and that's probably like 6 feet right there. Just sort of to give you guys a sort of perspective here. But yeah, we got all this like, so honestly looks like a red velvet cake is what it looks like here. Alright, so it is the next day. Literally just woke up 20 minutes ago. A lot has happened since then. We got the fly larvae in the refrigerator solved. We pretty much just removed all the shelves and anything out of the refrigerator. And now all the shelves and everything are now under the house. And we are going to hose them down this morning to, I guess, remove all the fly stuff. And we're also going to use like soap and stuff like that. So hopefully that should work. Maybe, I don't know. We're just going to see what happens today. Woo! Oh, it is so much colder than it was yesterday. Oh my god. Alright. people, so we have now gotten all of the things cleaned here. It's nice to see it cleaned. Really glad about all of that. We just took some water and sprayed some soap on it and scrubbed it all down. Hopefully it'll all be dry and we'll be able to put it back in the refrigerator. Something I kind of realized, but I didn't think we'd do anything about, is this wall right here. See this wall right here? Well, it's kind of a problem. You see how it's kind of leaning there, and that's not even where it's the worst. You see the whole wall is just gone right there. So there's a lot of posts on the beach right now, just because there was a whole like fence back where like the grass ends, or like there's plants in. So yeah, we're about to replace these posts here. Don't really know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. I need some pliers.
Pop it up in here. Oh, here we go. See there? Yeah.
Yeah, you probably should do it.
Oh. I might even go with an extra.
There were two before, one before.
We'll do that. Let's do this, Dylan. Let's replace a few of these broken ones.
Okay.
It's not hard to do.
You just rip them apart. When you have to cut vines to get something out, because that's where we live. I just wanted to show you guys this real quickly. I'm actually recording this with my phone, but this is honestly insane. This is so sketchy.
Set it down there, man.
Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you got this far, please do leave a like. Please leave me your feedback in the comments. It really helps out a lot. Go check out the rest of my video. Upload every single Saturday. And I'll see you guys next time.